In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. There you'll see a little gear icon. This is your settings. Go ahead and click on it to open the settings menu. After you click on the settings icon, you're going to want to navigate to the account settings. Look for the option labeled Account in the settings menu. This is where all the account-related configurations can be found, including the ability to change your password. Once you are on the account settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. That's where you'll find the section dedicated to password details. It's typically labeled something like Password or Change Password. You can't miss it. Now, before you update your password, there's an important security measure you'll need to go through. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your current password. This step is essential for verifying your identity. Just type in your password, and don't worry, this is a common security procedure, but very important to keep your account safe. After you've entered your current password, it's time to move on to entering your new password. Make sure your new password is secure. This means using at least 8 characters, combined with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The stronger your password, the better protected your account will be. Once you've come up with a new password that meets those criteria, go ahead and type it in. But remember, you'll want to double-check your new password for any typos. Passwords are case-sensitive, meaning that if you mistakenly capitalize a letter when you shouldn't have, you might have trouble logging in later. After you're confident that your new password is correct and secure, look for the Save button. This button is usually located at the bottom of this section. Click on it to complete the update. And just like that, your new password is in place. To recap, we started by opening the Settings menu and navigating to Account Settings. Then, we found the Password section, verified our identity by entering the current password, typed in a strong new password, and finally, saved our changes. And there you have it, your ActiveCampaign password is successfully changed. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more useful content like this. Thank you for watching.